Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel right from your mobile device. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, the process is pretty straightforward. So let's get started. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is download and install the YouTube app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. Step 2. If you already have a Google account, go ahead and sign in. If not, you can create a new Google account by tapping on the Create Account option. Step 3. Once you're signed in, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the YouTube app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 4. In the account settings, you'll see an option called YouTube Studio. Tap on it to access the YouTube Studio dashboard. Step 5. Now it's time to create your channel. In the YouTube Studio dashboard, you'll find a menu on the left side of the screen. Tap on the settings icon at the bottom of the menu. Step 6. In the channel settings, tap on the Create a Channel option. You'll be prompted to choose a name for your channel. Enter a name that represents the content you'll be sharing. Step 7. Great. Now that you've created your channel, let's customize it a bit. You can add a profile picture and a channel banner to make it more appealing. Tap on the camera icons in the respective sections to upload your images. Step 8. Your channel is all set up. It's time to start uploading videos. Tap on the video camera icon located at the top of the YouTube Studio dashboard to begin the upload process. Step 9. Fill in the necessary details for your video, such as the title, description, and tags. Make sure to provide relevant information to attract viewers. Step 10. Once you've uploaded your video, don't forget to optimize your channel for better visibility. Add a channel description, relevant tags, and create eye-catching thumbnails to attract more viewers. And there you have it. You've successfully created your YouTube channel right from your mobile device. Now you can start uploading videos, engaging with your audience, and growing your channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy YouTubing.